Okay, so I had tried to record this earlier and then I realized my microphone was off. So that's good though, because I was telling a lot of really awkward jokes and I don't think anyone was really here for it. So just to recap, I had added in events. I'll show you how you do that. So what you do is you go up to new event. From here, you can add your title, you can add your location, you can add your description. Make sure that you checked that it's AM or PM. It's pretty important. Know the difference. So here I have a few different events that are in for Monday. I have a 30-minute appointment. I put the description of who this person is, where they're from, why we're talking to them. So we're looking at all this. I'm showing each place where they're from, who they are. This one shows we're reviewing marketing plans for the fall. So another thing that I want you guys to know how to do is change colors. So the way that you do is you go into categorize. You can do any color, make it pretty, whatever you like to do. Depending on maybe their importance, you can add something. Oh, this one's a really important meeting. Let's put it in red. That's totally up to you. A few other things I want to show you just to change the calendar as far as what we're looking at. So I can change to my work week. Make sure you put in holidays. So down under my calendars, add in holidays, birthdays. Add that in to make sure everybody knows what's going on. You can do day, week, month. That's totally up to you and how you like to look at it. If you want to add a calendar or subscribe to a certain calendar, you go into here. You can subscribe from the web. You can create another calendar. You can add in really anything that you need so you can have coordinating calendars. That always is up to you guys. The only other thing I can particularly think about showing is adding tasks. So Microsoft To Do. Make sure you sign in. We won't really go into that right now. You can do a split view. If you want to split up your calendars, again, all of this is really up to you. Customize your calendar to kind of what you see fit. You can add, you can hide or show calendars by clicking these little buttons. Just kind of shows you what you're looking at. So this is really the basic views of your calendars. I want you guys to add all your events into these and obviously coordinate them with each other so that we are all on the same page and we all know what's going on. Here's another way to hide calendars. Click the X. Nobody cares about birthdays except mine. If you guys forget it, I'll be hurt. Anyway, sorry, that was a dumb joke. That's pretty much all there really is to show you. And if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us and we will obviously help.